Good morning, Blue Rose Restaurant, Jasmine speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation.
May I have your name, ma'am?
Wendy Castillo.
Can I get the details of your reservation, Miss Castillo?
Yes.
When do you want to make a reservation? For what time?
On December 14 at exactly 8 p.m.
Just a moment, ma'am. I just check if we have available on December 14 at 8 p.m.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. I'm sorry, but we are fully booked for dinner between 7 to 8 p.m. on December 14. How about 9 p.m. instead?
Okay, 9 p.m. would be fine.
For how many guests, ma'am?
2.
Do you have seating reference, ma'am?
We want to be seated in non-smoking area with a nice view.
Okay, ma'am. Can I get your number?
0930-6530-281.
May I confirm with you the details of your reservation? One table for two on December 14 at 9 p.m. You want to be seated in non-smoking area with a nice view. Your contact number is 0930-6530-281. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Is there anything else, ma'am?
That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for choosing Blue Rose Restaurant. We will expect you on December 14 at 9 p.m. Have a nice day.